Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Sunday reset routine. This time I'm going to be cleaning and sanitizing after being sick. So I'm just going to show you guys what I like to do after me or anybody in my family has been sick. So let's get started. So Brandon initially got sick and then I just caught whatever he had. So we were pretty much out for an entire week, just hanging out on the couch. Luckily the kids didn't get sick at all. They weren't even fazed by it. But Brandon definitely was worse off than I was. I was out for maybe like 1 or 2 days and then I was kind of like not myself for the rest of the week. But like I said, I'm getting my energy back and I'm able to get up and just get a few things done. So I'm going to be sanitizing a lot. You won't see me doing a lot of deep cleaning because I just don't have the energy right now. Since we've been just living on this couch with all of our blankets, I'm going to throw the blankets in the washing machine. I'm going to also throw in some laundry sanitizer and some scent beads just to freshen everything up. While the blankets are washing, I'm gonna hang up the kids' clothes that have been sitting here drying for the last couple days. I'm gonna just put that away really quick, and then I'm gonna introduce you guys to some new cleaning supplies that I just got.
Trust yourself and you get hurt. Tell yourself it's so absurd. Four-letter words, four-letter words. I hate it when you're like this. You never get excited. Did you get struck by lightning? Don't hide it, no. Don't hide it, no.
So let me quickly introduce you guys to Branch Basics. Branch Basics is a non-toxic, all-natural cleaning supplies line started by 3 women, and the story behind the reason why they created this line is crazy, you guys. I will leave the website link down below. They are not sponsoring this at all. They did send me this as PR. And when it comes to cleaning supplies, I never knock it till I try it. I love trying out different lines and different types of cleaning products, especially if it's non-toxic and all natural. So I'm not sure if this goes for the entire line, but everything they sent me is run off of one concentrate, and I have a bunch of different bottles that I fill up with water in concentrate. So I have a window bottle, a bathroom bottle, an all-purpose bottle, a hand wash, and a detergent. And since they all do different things, obviously the amount of concentrate varies. So for example, if you want to do the glass cleaner, you fill it up with water and just add 1 or 2 drops of the concentrate. And that's the one we're going to try out right now.
Don't hide it, no. Don't hide it, no. Soulless man, do you feel it? Love hurts more when you're in it, yeah.
Alright, so first impression is that it's fragrance free, which is really nice because after being sick, you don't feel like smelling anything harsh. And I also have allergies, so I definitely didn't feel like smelling anything really strong. So it was nice having a fragrance free cleaning product. And most importantly, this didn't leave my window streaky at all. I just used a regular microfiber cloth.
Game that I couldn't play. The memory card and got erased. Well, I'm not plugged in anyway. Yeah, 'cause it's a maze. Hey.
Alright, so let's try out this all-purpose spray. It's my favorite type of cleaning product because I can use it literally anywhere if I want it to. So I'm going to fill it up with water to the water line and then the rest up with the concentrate. We're going to try it out on my windowsill and the countertops.
Don't hide it, no. Don't hide it, no. Soulless man, do you feel it? Love hurts more when you're in it, yeah. Gravity at its limit, at its limit. Do you feel it? Like
So I love an all-purpose spray. I would definitely compare this to any other all-purpose spray that's out there, but the good thing about this is that it's scent-free and it's non-toxic. So I would definitely pick this one up over some of the other ones that's out there right now. So I'm going to use this same cloth on my coffee table just to wipe it down, and then I'm just going to quickly restyle it, and then we're going to move on. The one thing I did realize is that I don't have to switch out my microfiber cloth a lot while using Branch Basics because everything is pretty much used by the same concentrate in water. It's just different levels of the concentrate really. So if you are cleaning your windows, for example, and you want to use that same microfiber cloth to clean your coffee table, you can definitely do that because you're not mixing chemicals. So even though I do love trying out different cleaning products, they're not all the same, especially on my countertops and my cabinets. They leave them extremely streaky. There's only one or two products that don't do that for me. So when I tried this out, I wasn't really expecting much. I was pleasantly surprised that it left my countertops extremely clean and shiny. So I definitely will be using this over and over again. I still haven't picked up any new stems lately, so I'm just going to use the ones that I already have. I am going to just be switching these vases out with some different stems. The clear one, I got that from HomeGoods, and then I have this white textured one that I like to keep in the kitchen. I'm just going to put some greenery in there, put that in the little corner in my kitchen. As far as the clear one, I'm just going to put that in my living room. I had the blankets washing on bulky, which makes it wash for over an hour. They're just now finishing up, so I'm going to put those in the dryer. The things that I just took out were just some rugs from my bathroom upstairs. I like using this Lysol fabric disinfectant spray on the couch and the couch pillows because when we're sick, we tend to hang out on the couch a lot. So this just helps kill any kind of germs and bacteria that just might be sitting on our couch. So I wanted to wipe down the powder room sink because that's where we've been washing our hands a lot. The kids go in there and wash their hands. There's dried soap everywhere. So I wanted to try out the Branch Basics bathroom cleaner. So I'm going to fill it up to the water line and then the rest up with the concentrate. And you do use a lot more concentrate in the bathroom bottle than you do with some of the other bottles, which tells me that it is going to get in there and help clean some of that soap scum and grime that you might have in your shower or on your sink. Our sink was a little dirty. It wasn't terrible. It was just a little dirty from the kids playing outside in the dirt, coming in here, washing their hands, and we had some soap just dried up on our countertop. And it was easy to wipe up and it left my sink really clean. Now I'm just going to take some wipes and wipe down all the knobs and handles in the bathroom. Alright, before I start vacuuming and mopping, I'm going to take my Lysol wipes and sanitize all the knobs in my entryway. I am going to hold off on mopping just for a little while. I'll come back downstairs and do that in a little bit. But before I head upstairs and do some more sanitizing, I'm going to sanitize the knobs and everything in the kitchen. Alright, I'm going to be sanitizing a few things upstairs. So we're going to start with my nightstands. You always want to make sure you sanitize your nightstand after you've been sick because of tissues. Maybe your medicine's been up there, your phone, all of that needs to be sanitized. Make sure you're just cleaning it really well. And then after this, I'm going to move on to my bathroom using those same Lysol wipes. I'm not going to be doing a deep clean. Thank goodness it's not bad. So I'm just going to be wiping down the countertops in my bathroom. I'm not sure if you remembered earlier, I did clean my rugs the other day. I just took those out the dryer, so I'm going to be putting those back down in the bathroom. Thing I made sure to do was make sure I had all clean towels throughout the entire house. So that goes for kitchen towels, hand towels, and bathroom towels. Especially after being sick, you don't want to just have those towels out anyway. So we just got rid of those and just replaced everything with clean ones. So one thing I did right away was clean our bedding once we start feeling better. I did this yesterday, so it's not going to be on camera. I didn't film it, but make sure to wash your bedding after you start feeling better. There's nothing like getting into bed, feeling better with clean sheets. Alright, so we're back downstairs and I'm going to mop really quick in the common area, so our entryway, near our kitchen, and our powder room. So I'm going to be using my Swiffer Power Mop. This is battery operated. There's a little button at the top that releases the cleaning solution onto the floor. I'll have it linked down in my Amazon storefront. Be sure to check my Amazon storefront often because I do try to keep it updated and I'm always like adding stuff to it. So if you're interested in some of the things that I have in my home, definitely check that link down in the description box. Last but not least, I'm going to open up some of the windows just to get some fresh air in. I always do this after being sick or after I clean downstairs. Sometimes I'll open the windows if it's a good day outside just to get some of that fresh air in the house. But that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one.